everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona in partnership with Foto Forum once again, and I'm at Pro 2024 in Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm here with Bret from DJI. Bret, how the hell are you?
Hey, I'm great. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Great to be
now,
here.
I can't say you guys remember Bret from NAB because I didn't get a chance to get him on camera at NAB, but we're here and I'm super excited because he's got some awesome stuff to show. So I'm going to flip the camera around, let him take over, and guys, if you need it, we can get it in the store, and some of this stuff we're bringing in the store regardless because it's just too cool for school. So let me get this camera flipped around, and Bret, take it away.
Yeah, cool. So obviously we have all of our flagship and latest products here at the DJI booth. That would include products like this brand new DJI Neo, which is sure to be one of the best-selling drones we've ever made. An absolute hit, whether you're a kid, a beginner, you're scared of these things or whatever, this thing can handle it all. And then this actually happens to be an excellent behind-the-scenes camera, follow you around, perform movements at the push of a button, etc. This little guy right here, $199, excellent product. We also have the newly launched Action 5 Pro. Brings a number of huge improvements versus the previous generation Action 4. Things like 10-bit color on all of your videos, 4K 120, actually 1080p up to 960 frames per second slow-mo, compatibility with 2 DJI Mic 2 transmitters, which if you'll notice, I'm wearing one right now, so if you happen to be making videos and you want to use an Action 5 Pro, great, pair up your mics. So excellent little product to check out. Of course, we have the super popular Pocket 3, which
is what I'm using right now to record on, guys. You know it's my go-to camera.
Yep. And, oh, well, real quick, what do you think of it? Do you like it?
I absolutely love it. So I had this, I was fortunate enough to get this day one, and it has revolutionized how I do video on the trail. I'm an avid mountain biker and backpacker, and now I don't have to carry a Sony with me. I can carry this, keep the weight out of my bag, and keep the good times rolling for the YouTube channel.
That's right. And it's you're not really compromising in terms of image quality or performance, right?
Absolutely not. It's amazing. And I like the fact, too, if I would have actually remembered my rail piece, my NATO rail piece, I would have been using it in conjunction with my iPhone, and now I have a monitor with the DJI app that I can use on the trail, tracking everything at my fingertips. It's absolutely amazing.
Smart, yeah. I mean, what else can we say?
Right.
Pocket 3.
Remember, guys, I tell you, if it's good enough for me, it's good enough for you, so you definitely have to check it out.
Oh, yeah, 100%. Well, of course, we still have our flagship lineup of drones.
Yep.
Mini 4 Pro, DJI Air 3 with 2 lenses, and the Mavic 3 Pro with 3 lenses, designed by Hasselblad Optics.
Got the Avata 2.
Yeah, and the Avata 2 if you're looking for some adventure in your life, spice things up. Super fun, one of the funnest products we've ever made. And then if you're shooting video, we of course have our entire lineup of gimbals from products like RS4 Pro, RS4, and even the excellent RS3 Mini, which recently had a price drop earlier this year, if you're unfamiliar, down to about $279.
Which is a great value.
Fantastic, and it can fit a huge variety of cameras. So if you have a chance to check out any of these products, please do get hands-on, ask questions. But yeah, thanks for checking it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna flip that camera around so we can get some closing. Okay, guys, so Bret, thank you very much. Always a pleasure. I didn't show you guys the Ronin 4D. It's on the other shelf. You guys know I'm hot for one of those, hopefully by the end of the year. Keep my fingers crossed. And if I do, hopefully I'll get some hands-on training with this guy because he is the master. I'm telling you right now, we're so honored to have DJI in the store. The fact that they're willing to work with a smaller photo specialty store like us speaks volumes. And the fact that they offer us training, great customer service. Seriously, guys, I'm not sponsored by them, but I couldn't use any other product out in the field. And have that type of just knowing that it's going to work. You know, I have faith in it. Every time I take it out of my bag, it's going to work and everything, which speaks a lot because you guys know what I do. I get down and dirty. I friggin' smack it like it owes me money. So, all right, my friends, have a great day wherever you're at, whatever you're doing. And remember, what do we say at this point? Keep on creating because those images you capture today can definitely change the world tomorrow. We'll talk to you soon, everybody.
See you guys.